guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and happy Father's Day to all the awesome fathers out there. Today I'm going to be hiking to Alamere Falls. It's a 14-mile round-trip hike to this 40-foot waterfall that drains straight onto the beach. So I'm super excited. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys later. Hi, so I've been hiking for about an hour now. It's been really foggy, but nevertheless, it's super green, extremely beautiful. I saw about maybe 7 jackrabbits so far. I have a banana in my little backpack, and I've been trying to feed them bananas, but they're just too skittish. But hopefully, yeah, I'm really enjoying it out here. Super beautiful. There's like no one out here, but that's also because it's 8:30 a.m. on Father's Day. And I'm not sure how many fathers can hike 14 miles. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later. So apparently I took the wrong path in the fork, so now I have to hike my way back up. You know, this path, it's like it's all mudded out, and there's lots of standing water there. Yeah, that's how this trail is going. Also, I got my shoes wet. Don't know if you can see them. They're wet, so I just started like 15 minutes ago, so the trail is not going that well. Yikes. Guys, I was walking and I look to my left and I see there's a swamp. I had no idea there were even swamps in California, so that's pretty cool. Lots of swarming little mosquitoes over there. But yeah, I'm about an hour in. So far so good. Just feeling a little lonely. Yeah, nothing much. Good to see the greenery, so foggy. I'm getting like this weird rash on like my hand. It's like red. Yeah, I don't have any Benadryl, but we'll see if I make it out alive today. Y'all, so I've come to this fork in the road and look what I see. It says Alamere this way, but it's like a paper ass sign with like some freaking crayons on it. What do I do? Like, I feel like it's hella sketchy, and like this is where it leads to. Hello everyone, so I finally made it, and let me just say I am awestruck. Let me show you why. So it's like a little mini black sand beach here. And then check this out. It's a 40-foot waterfall straight into the ocean. Isn't this the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? Wow. I would love to have a house like literally right there. That would be my dream come true. This place is so amazing. Out of the entire state of California, I think this is definitely one of my top 5 spots to definitely visit. So I tried to cross over the waterfall, and the waves got to me, and now my shoes are soaking wet. It's gonna be a long hike back, but I can't wait to show you guys the pictures. Hi guys, so I just got home. I got my wonderful chicken salad from Costco. The best deals on this earth, actually. Only $3.99. Anyways, I'm not sponsored by Costco. I just wanted to talk about the hike a little bit. All in all, I think it was about 12 miles that registered on my phone. Also, for the hike, I would recommend getting there as early as you can. I got there at 8:30 and there were only a couple people there, but by the time I was leaving, there were dozens and dozens of groups of people. And obviously, like, I mean, I love people, but like, they kind of ruin the experience, especially when you're, you know, trekking that far. Yeah. Wow, like, that was such a beautiful sight. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys would like to see me go on more hikes, or if you guys have any ideas or any suggestions, you can just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm gonna go take a shower and enjoy the rest of my Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, guys.